Hi everyone, I'm Hiba Sherin. So one of your boyfriends, girlfriends or any other friends just comes to you and says, I'm going to give you a big surprise on your next birthday. How will you reply? You will be saying, okay, I'm waiting for it, or I'm expecting something big from you, or can I trust you? Well, today we are going to learn a new phrase in English with which we can replace all these cliche dialogues, and that is, I am counting on you. So, now if your friend comes to you and says that I'm going to give you a big surprise on your next birthday, you can reply, okay, I'm counting on you. What does it mean? I'm counting on you is a phrase in English which means I am expecting something big from you, or I'm relying on you, or depending on you, or I am trusting you. So let us see another example. So it's a college atmosphere and your exams are near and you're saying, oh, theory paper is really tough. Ria, I'm counting on you for this paper. What does it mean? It means theory paper is really tough. Ria, I'm depending on you for this paper. Let us look at another example. It's a dark night scenario. It is raining heavily outside and one of your friends, Roshan, offers to stay at his house. And you'll say that, oh, thank you, Roshan. I know I can count on you, but it's okay. I'll drive back home. What does it mean? It means, okay, thank you, Roshan. I know I can trust you, but it's okay. I'll drive back home. So hope you understood the meaning of I am counting on you. That's all for today. So to know more about the online courses provided by English House, you can click in the link below. Thank you and have a nice day.
English House. WhatsApp-ലൂടെ get learning bros. IELTS മുതൽ juniors വരെ spoken English ന്റെ പൊടിയാണ് bros.
വാട്സാപ്പിലൂടെ കേരളത്തെ ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ സൂപ്പറാക്കുന്നത് ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് ഹൗസ്.
English House.